Let's create a week's worth of content using AI in just a matter of a few minutes. If you don't know me, I'm Lexi, a former corporate professional who's recently left corporate America to pursue building an online business, teaching you exactly how you can do the same thing from home using AI to save you a ton of time. It's incredible what these platforms can do these days, and it's a passion that I've truly just become obsessed with. And if you're coming back, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on that bell so every time a new video uploads, you are the first to get notified. So let's dive right into creating this content. So we are going to use this prompt. I'm a beauty creator who needs content ideas for 30-year-old moms. If you're in the fitness industry, you're just going to update that to I'm a fitness creator who needs content ideas for postpartum moms, right? Whoever you are as a creator and whoever your target audience is, you're just going to replace those two parts and you're going to hit enter. And right away, in just a matter of seconds, you are going to get 20 engaging social media post ideas organized so that you can educate them, you can inspire them, you can show them the behind the scenes of your business. People are nosy. They want to see the behind the scenes. Hence, behind the scenes behind me is absolute chaos right now, but hey, busy mom life, right? So once you get these great content ideas, once it's done loading, we now need to work on our second prompt, right? So we have our content ideas, right? This is still loading, so I'm going to continue to talk to kind of walk you through this. Our next prompt is we now need to take these content ideas and generate it into content. Very easily put. So I'm going to put, these are great content ideas. Please take these ideas and generate the content. We have 4 different types of posts that I want generated from the content ideas that you suggested. Educational, engagement, a personal story framework, right? Anything personal, you're going to have to kind of customize a little bit more with AI, but it's doable, again, in the matter of minutes. And then you have your promotional post. Please put this into a table, easy to read, and identify each post in the days of the week. Okay, we're going to hit enter, right? So now it's going to generate a sample content post based on what we've told it to, right? So we now have 20 content ideas, and now we're telling it to put it into a really pretty thing for us so that we don't have to create any of it. All right, so you can see we have day Monday. It's going to be an educational post. This is the topic. This is the prompt, and this is the response, right? So it's basically saying now you want to like go in here and write a simple 5-minute makeup routine for busy moms who want to look fresh. And this is where you can really spend the extra time customizing this prompt, right? What within that simple routine makes it so simple for you, right? What are you selling there? And then you can help like get them to do it for you like they did in this response. But if you want to like tailor it, of course you can, right? And you can see Tuesday's engagement, Wednesday's personal framework, Thursday is a promotional post, Friday is value, Saturday, Sunday. And you can see it rotates those, right? You want to be able to provide education, inspiration. Of course, you want to sell your services, whatever that is. And it says, would you like me to put this into a downloadable weekly content or a Canva template too? And you can say, yes, yes, please, right? You can do exactly what you want. But now in the matter of just a couple of minutes, we have a week's worth of content that we can base the rest of our content now. Now, if you want to keep it simple and stop right here, you can. You now have content for the next 7 days. You don't have to think about it. You make your video, structure your responses, and that's that, right? But now I just told it to turn it into a weekly downloadable or Canva template too. I just put yes, please. I didn't specify which one because I'm curious to see if it's going to do both or if it's just going to give me the weekly content calendar. Okay, so as you can see, it just put it into an Excel file for me. So you can download that, or you can also take this up here and copy it as well into the Excel. And then you can schedule your post. If you batch create, whatever, you can do it right there. It's super simple. And if you found this video helpful, I want you to drop in the comments great ideas And I want you to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell. So each time that we upload a video, you are the first to get to know it. Again, I am a no fluff person, so my videos are going to be short, concise, and exactly to the point. There's not going to be any added things that you don't need to know about because, again, your time is valuable, my time is valuable, and I want to give you everything that you need. If you have any questions below, please drop them below. I also have some free AI prompts that might help you create your first digital product. I'll link that in the description below. But I look forward to talking to you guys, and I'll see you next week.